Today I went and I bought a unique ice cream here in San Francisco. They make it by minimizing the crystals between the ice cream molecules so that it becomes extra creamy. It's good. And 1 minute away from the shop where I got this ice cream, you have this. Sure, every city has income inequality, but in San Francisco, it's especially obvious here in San Francisco. If you want to see the top 1% and the bottom 1% interact with each other, then this place is for you. But by that I mean walk right by each other without ever interacting. There is nothing wrong with building an app and getting rich. But it seems to me a little bit weird that when on your way to build that app, you ignore the biggest problem of them all. This.
Get the fuck away from me! I will kill you!
Why are you talking to me like that?
I'm gonna fucking bash your head in, bitch!
That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.
Telling her to get